Hey guys, it's your girl Jazara, and today I'm going to be feeding my bird. So, what we're going to, hold up, I need a plate, I forgot that. So, all we're going to need is a little bit of his treat at the bottom, and then we're going to get a plate, on a quick plate, and then we're going to have a little cup to put the apples in, and then put them in here. And then we have the apples. So we're going to put the apples on the plate. And we're just going to make his food. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. So first we're going to take this peel off, because he does not like peels at all. Okay, I'm going to take it off. He hates peels. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of it. Okay. Making a video. Okay. And then we're just going to just cut little pieces of apple. And his food. But first we're going to put them in. First, we're putting them in here. So, yeah. We're going to do, what is this? I'm going to use a different one because that one's not, okay. This is a sharp one. I hope he likes this. If he doesn't, I'm going to have to try something else. Or he just won't eat until we get him, like, his regular bird food. If that's the case, too. Okay. So, see. Just cut it. And then peel. Cut it and then go in. Cut it, go in. That piece might be too small for him. So too big. I'm gonna have to cut it again. Okay. So see. Now we're gonna take this because it has like not apparently mold, but like a different kind of color. I don't know what it is. So yeah, and then I want to make sure they're all good and chopped up. So, cause I don't know, because he is a small bird. I wasn't watching her. So this is what it looks like right now. Gotta grab my camera. So he has little grapes, but what you're gonna make sure is you actually chop it up, because anything can happen. So I'm going to keep on and keep on and keep on. Keep on hand them up. I might add like I was gonna say I was gonna add oranges, but so it can have like a healthy diet. But no, the reason why I'm doing this is because I think it's time for him to go on a diet. But make sure you change their water and food every single day, especially if you have apples, because apples can get rotten. And your birds will not like rotten food. So, there's not even any trash in right there. Now, we got another piece of the apple. See? Now we're gonna take the, I think I cut this. I thought I cut them, I thought I would say. And then I'm gonna just slice it off like this. What kind of bird do you guys have? Put it in the comments. Some people might not be able to comment because it might say that my comments are turned off, but they're really not. Put in the comments what if you have a bird, what kind of bird do you have, what's his gender and stuff. Mine is a boy. So I'm gonna tell you how you know if it's a boy or a girl. So if you could see, you can tell if if you have a bird and like its nose is like changing color. So it'll rather change blue or pink. If it changes blue, it's a boy. If it changes pink, it's a girl. So mine changed blue, so it's a boy. And oof, everyone, this is hard. I do this like every single day. I'm used to it. Trust me. Cause I gotta do it like, I don't want him to be like tweeting because he ain't got no food. So I might as well go a little bit faster. Cause he might start making noises if he doesn't have his food in his cage. Because he loves his food. So I'm gonna try out and see if he likes his diet. So he does not bite. He is very nice. He likes to fly around the house, check. And he loves kids. So now we got the apple. Yes, we washed it, but we're gonna wash it again because we're gonna cut another side. So we wash the apple. And then we're gonna take this, cut it straight down. That might be too big. And then we're gonna just boom, there. And then we're gonna cut the apple off. And then there. Put the apple back. And then we're gonna take some of the parts off because he's definitely not gonna eat this. And then like cut it off. I'm gonna put like this. I'm gonna cut the top off because the top looks gross. Probably if you see it, he might gonna get disgusted and just not eat it. So like I said, he's a popular bird. I might make a YouTube channel for him. And like, no, not a YouTube channel, a TikTok channel. And then he can like, oh yeah, if you have TikTok, put your TikTok name below. And I will probably follow you on TikTok. My name is @Jazzy _ Biaca, Biaca. Jazzy is spelled lowercase Jazzy. Go follow me. And there's this page that's on my follows. It's called I Love Funnel Vision. Go follow them too. They have a fabulous channel. And they put like, they give giveaways and stuff, and I put shout outs. And you can be one to get a shout out. But it depends if you like the videos and stuff. Only the first 10 people go do it though. So I'm not. So I go to right there. So this is how far I got so far. Yeah, that's all I got. Don't just tape myself, period. So I gotta make sure it's all the way up to the top because like his beak is short. Oh, that was like weird. So I can just tape myself. What delicious Texas aloha, I guess. So, guys, I'm gonna tell you some facts about birds, okay? So, if you have a bird and like is near like an edge, like say if you have like a bird cage and then it has like a little stick and then it's near the food eating and like near the food there's like a gate, like the birds say like take food out. What they're doing is they're basically, the reason why they're putting food on the floor is because they still think they're in the wild. So what they do is they put food on the floor. And then yay. So I'm gonna end this video right now. I hope you like and go subscribe and notifications, because I will be giving shout out to people every single time they follow me. Peace, we out. Hey,